Hello student, this is GATE 1996 question. The following process state transition diagram is shown new, ready to running, running to block and block to ready, and that is terminate. This is present in this way, either you can make in this way also, new, ready, running, block, and that is finish or terminate. Getting my point? Now what is the options? A process is batch operating system, OS with preemptive scheduling, non-preemptive is wrong, uniprogrammed. So answer is preemptive scheduling. Why it is preemptive? Because when the process move from running to ready, this show high priority process comes, या quantum time expire, या when the process nature is preemptive. So the answer is the process use preemptive scheduling algorithm. Getting my point? So in this, their answer is a process, when a process arrow from running to ready, so it is a preemptive scheduling algorithm. Clear hai? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.